Well, if you'd like to view the contents of one of these plant lists, you can just click on it, and that gives you a fairly ugly text view of the file. But it's better, if you've got a copy of Excel, to simply right click on it and say save the link as, put it in your downloads folder, and then save it as, in this case, gardencad.gcp. The next step is to start Excel. Doesn't really matter what particular version of Excel you have, but I'm starting a blank Excel spreadsheet. We'll move to the Data tab, then choose From Text, CSV, and change down here Files of Type to All Files. And we're looking in our Downloads folder. I've got quite a lot there, but the GardenCAD GCP file is there, so I can import it. And Excel prepares all of that data, lines it up now with botanical name, common name, type, code, and so on, and we can then say transform the data, and all of the information that was in that GCP file is now available to you to search, find, and manipulate in whatever way you like.